How to fix YouTube video quality. Now, if you want to fix your YouTube video quality, you just simply need to open any video in YouTube that you are playing, or if you are already playing, it's fine. And after coming to the video, just simply tap to this gear icon from the top right corner. Now from the gear icon, you will get the option of quality at very top. If you are having bad quality videos automatically, you just simply need to go into this page and you need to set it to higher picture quality option from here instead of auto. Now if you have a stable internet connection, you should go to the advanced, and after going in there you can select the quality for your video that you are playing as you want. This might not be available for the every video, because if a video is uploaded in 360p quality, you cannot make it 1080p quality without using any of the third-party application or something like that. So if the video has the quality in it, then you can upgrade the video quality or enhance the video quality like this very easily. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.